Please log in the information requested.
Access granted. Exclusive audio from 110sportspodcast.com.
Can you tell me how much it will cost to try a case like this from your law firm?
Well, from my law firm, I mean, I can tell you this. Had I been able to charge Jerry on a fee that would have been reasonable under the circumstances, it would have been probably in the area of at least $500,000. Now, I can tell you without going into specifics, it wasn't anywhere near that because when I got involved in the case, I wasn't even aware that there was potentially an insurance company that might pick up his fees. And I was trying to be reasonable with Jerry, knowing his limited resources, knowing that he needed good counsel in terms of how I talked fees with him. But my fees were nowhere near that $500,000 figure.
But you said he had an insurance policy to cash in?
Well, from the second mile. The second mile, as it turned out, was picking up his legal fees on the civil side, had a directors and officers policy of some sort. And again, in all my years of practice, Matt, I've never known any client in a criminal defense case who was covered by insurance. And yet, in this case, because of the unique circumstances, there was an insurance company, which you may recall, filed an action in federal court asking to be relieved of having any obligation to pay his fees. Apparently, they lost that.
So you'll get paid by the insurance company, not necessarily from Jerry?
My understanding is they reimbursed Jerry for the fees I had previously charged Jerry. But at that point, I was locked into a fee agreement, which at the time I made it was based upon Jerry's ability to pay, which was, again, a fraction of what would have ordinarily earned in a case like that.